Jingle bells, jingle bells. Silent night, holy night, all is calm, all is bright, round yon virgin mother and child, holy infant, so tender and mild.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to Vlogmas, and actually welcome to the last episode of Vlogmas. It is Christmas Eve when I speak to you, and it's gonna be Christmas Day when you're gonna be seeing this message. So thank you so much for sticking around. This is gonna be a super short vlog. I'm gonna insert snippets from what I'll be doing today. This night we're gonna have friends over and they're gonna be staying with us until the 27th. So it's gonna be a lot of fun days filled with board games, nice food, drinking, sleeping, relaxing, and overall just everything that Christmas is. Just spending time with your loved ones and spending time with friends or family. And I just wanted to let you know that I'm really grateful for the past 30 days. They've been hectic. I've been working a lot. I had days when I missed Vlogmas, and I had days when, even though I didn't miss it, I was really exhausted, but I did it. The amount of days that I did, I don't remember how many there were. There were definitely at least 20, so I'm really proud of myself. And I just wanted to wish you all a very Merry Christmas. No matter if you're spending it with family, with friends, alone, with your pets, Christmas is a feeling, and you can be alone if you have that spirit within you, and if you're feeling that gratitude towards your life, towards the fact that you have a roof over your head, food on the table. That is enough. I believe that is enough. As a foreigner living in the UK, I don't have family that lives here with us. So for me, Christmas is just this feeling of hosting our friends, providing some super delicious food for them, being with Simba that is just now at my feet. You wanna be in the vlog? Okay. And just, and just overall being grateful. I think I associate Christmas with gratefulness because it's so towards the end of the year when you've already sort of shut down for the remaining time of the year and you're just enjoying your time off. You're thinking about what went wrong and what went well, and just sort of a time to switch off, and just reflect on what's happening. I know it's not New Year's yet, but it's very close. I will be working from the 27th to the 30th, so I will be working in between Christmas and New Year's. When there's that odd time where you're not really sure what day it is, I will be sure what day it is because I'll be at my computer. But this is not the last vlog of the year. There'll be at least one more. And then we have some really exciting things planned for January, when it's my birthday as well. And I hope you stick around. I know Vlogmas is intense, not my Vlogmas specifically, but just the fact that everyone is putting out so much content at the same time every single day. That's a lot. I've been watching Vlogmases, but I had to pick and choose because there were so many and I couldn't fill my entire day with watching YouTube. But if you did watch any of my videos, I really appreciate it, and I'll see you next time. Bye! Christmas! Merry Christmas! Bye guys!
Mother and child, holy infant, so tender and mild, sleep